So there I was at work on Thursday, kinda dressed like, is this week over yet? Out of the blue, Mr. I'll call you sometime calls with tickets for tonight. I run straight to Saks. Stay calm, I only need one fabulous, pulled-together, not trying too hard. Oh, I actually always look this stunning outfit. The next wave of Italians have come to America, and they have come to party. The Italian-designed Fiat 500. Now at Wendy's, choose a delicious salad and one of any 5 items for just $5.99. Real is having a better choice. Wendy's, you know when it's real. Once you post your image online, you can't take it back. Anyone can see it. Family, friends, anyone. Remember, think before you post. It's not just Monday, it's the heaviest day of your period. Got any more good news, you say? Well, actually, yes. Introducing the new Stay Free Maxi. Remarkable protection against leaks, whatever the day brings. You want your guy to try new Trojan Her Pleasure condoms? As a true Trojan woman, you say, A, I find you so stimulating. B, I just love a bumpy ride. C, hey Dwayne, I feel like grapes tonight. Reduce the risk, increase her pleasure.